Next, we will be seeing some concepts of quick analysis, how to do quick analysis, and how Excel supports quick analysis on data. We'll see some example on some sample table. So any one of the table that we have, we can take data from that particular table. So we'll see, we'll go to the Excel table, and let's say we have this employee project. We can make some data out of this project and do some analysis work directly. So here we have taken some pivots over here. We have some data which we have considered for bucket. Now this particular quick analysis, what we want to do is based on some working hours, let's say. So for working hours, what I can do, I can simply take the same data range like this, let's say like this. The moment you select any kind of data in Excel, Excel provides you a small icon at the end of the table. You can also bring out the same analysis tool by clicking on Control and Q. So you can either press here or say Control Q. What happens? It gives you a list of different analysis options that is possible with this particular data. So it talks about formatting, it talks about charts, totals, tables and sparklines. So all these options are here. Now we can just see, let's say for formatting, suppose I just wanted to check how my color scale will look like. So it immediately understands that there are some places where we have some numbers. So it identifies that, some icons like this. Let's say if you want to put some chart, see, directly it understands. See, I have not made any pivot, but still it understands that there is a way of getting department wise data from this particular table. It automatically does the pivot and it automatically makes the chart out of that pivot also. So like this, different views, age by department, work hours by department, fine. And then we have the totals. Suppose I want to see a percentage total, I want to see count, I want to see running total, sum. So those all things are available here. And finally, you have different options like pivot table, how the pivot table will look like, some of the pivot tables here. So, working hours, this is a meaningful pivot table. So department wise working hours. So like this. So all the pivot tables might not be of use. We can select from here. So the idea is, without making a chart or without going to a particular sheet, you can directly view the output here. So the same kind of options you can, let's say you have this particular data, so you can draw spark lines and columns and stuff like that. So this is one data point. This data point also allows you to, here also what we can do, we can take a particular data, let's say quarter 1 and quarter 2 data, and do some analysis work. Simply selecting that data, and if you simply say like the icon sets or data bar, so automatically it understands that the data bars need to be there with the total sales. And if you make the chart, you can see that Jan, Feb, March, June, based on that it creates the quantity and sales data. So it creates the scatter chart also, different tables. And similarly, if you want to have the total and if you want to see the average sales, average quantity, the sum of sales and quantity, those all things are possible over here. You can go to table and see some of the uh, pivot tables. So these pivot tables are quite meaningful. You can see location wise quantity, then you have location wise sales and quantity. So like this, water one. So the entire data table is fetched for this particular analysis. So similar kind of analysis can be done, and this tool is only available with Excel 2013. This tool is not there with the previous versions of Excel.